part. Finally. Been waiting for this one. Oh, wow, this box is light. Check this out, guys. Extreme Online Store. Talk about some fast shipping. I just ordered this thing too. Oh no, this is not the right type of lip I wanted. This is the wrong type. This is just an OEM style. Okay, this is an OEM style lip. I was looking for a CS style. Guess I got the wrong one. Damn, son of a. Okay, so I brought out the other front lip that I had sitting in my garage for I don't know how long now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put or install this, to be honest with you. I just want something a little thicker looking. Well, let me just shut up. Let me just get this out of the packaging. But since this video is a dud, since I got the wrong lip, because I'm a freaking idiot, what do you guys think of the new Z? I really, really do like it, you know? There's a bunch of back and forth going on with Supra owners and, you know, the new Z. I mean, yes, I know, I have a Supra and I can still like the new Z. I don't know what the big deal is. Just because I have a Supra doesn't mean I can't like the new Z. Just not feeling the front end, to be honest with you. I don't know how that's gonna age over time. I'll be honest with you, driving the Supra, I really don't miss the manual transmission. The ZF transmission that's in there is actually pretty good. It's not the best, it's not a dual clutch by any means, but still. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Nice, this is a little sturdier than the other one. But I really like the rear end. Not sure how I feel about that blue interior. I think it's a sport model, but I like how it comes with actual gauges where you can see oil temperature, which I think actually performance cars should include oil temperature. I don't know if it shows oil pressure, but at least it shows oil temperature. I don't know. Get this out of the package. Stop rambling here. I need to take a step back and take a look at this lip. But, the only thing that might kill it for me, we could get it. I mean, yeah, is availability is, with the shortage of new cars right now, is it gonna be readily available? Are dealers gonna get allocations? And one is the price. You guys know whenever there's a new enthusiast model that comes out, there's always gonna be a dealer markup. Dealers are gonna make their money, nothing wrong with that, right? But I'm not gonna pay $50,000, $60,000 to be one of the first ones to have the new Z. I don't know if I'm gonna install it, to be honest with you. I don't know. Maybe? I don't know. We might. It looks pretty good. Well, better than the cheap eBay one that's on there now. So I've been looking over this lip for a few minutes now, and I have decided I'm gonna hold off on installing this right now. I'm gonna contact the company, see if I can get the original lip or the lip that I should have ordered in the first place and not order the wrong one. I don't know, this is not my first choice of lip, but it does look really, really good. I'll put a link down in the description for this lip if you guys are interested in something like this. But some of you guys have commented about my nasty fourth gear grind when I was doing those pulls in my last video or 2 videos ago. This is what Bader told me to get in order to fix that nasty fourth gear grind that plagues some 19 up STI transmissions or ones that are driven pretty hard. So we have 3 shockproof and 1 75/90. If you guys are interested in something like this, I'll put a link down in the description below. All of this together was about $100 or so. Already drained my tranny fluid, got some new gaskets right here. And what else am I forgetting? I don't think I'm forgetting anything else. Oh, I need fluid for the diff. Yeah, I got more fluid for the, yeah. Oh God, I got so much more. I got 6 bottles of 75/90 for Motul. I can use one of those for the diff. All right. Letting that drain for a few minutes. All right, been letting that drain for a few minutes. Let's see how much goop is on here. Oh, that's nasty. Look at that. And we got it all cleaned up. All right, so we have a new part from Varus Engineering. Big thanks to Brian over there at the Mod Garage for getting this shipped out to me. I only got it in like a couple days. So this is just a small part for the Supra. I don't know if it's exactly needed, but it's pretty cheap, very affordable, and I just cut myself, ooh, with some blood. I don't know how I just cut myself. Just packing. And what we have here, I think this is the Cerakoted heat shield, but we'll get that out the package later on. I think that's all we got. Yes, cool. I got so many plans for a Supra that I want to do. It's just, I got all my money, to be honest with you. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I have a lot of my money set up in investments to help set up, you know, my financial freedom up for the future. I know buying car parts is cool and everything, but you know, if you can, let's say you have $1,000 and you can turn that $1,000 into $2,000, you know, but the drawback is it's not going to happen right away. But there's a car part that you want to buy right now. It's like, what do? You know, do you sacrifice making money, which you can also lose money really easily, especially for all you guys that invest your money. But you know, if you are good at it and you know you obsess about it like I do at times, I mean, you can really make a good amount of money, you know, with stocks and crypto and whatnot. So I don't know, I'm just on the fence because right now all my investments, or the money I have in investments, can buy some really good car parts. But I don't know, I'm just on the fence on that. But wow, this thing is beefy. Various engineering, like I said. But yeah, it should be really simple to install. I think this goes like this or something like that. Yeah. Because apparently, especially with the Cerakoted version, I don't know, should we put the gold foil in there? I don't know if we should. So these are the mods I love doing. Just simple, straight to the point, no fuss, just straight up bolt on, and you don't have to worry about anything else. Now, first thing I gotta do is take off this, that's pretty loud, is this little strut brace thing on bobber. Now, I already loosened everything up. Now, we gotta remove this hose clamp, of course, undo the sensor. Is it gonna come out? Fuck, I don't know. Oh yeah, it does. Look at that. Full access to the turbo. So if you need to replace your turbo, it's pretty much all you need to do to get access to it. Of course, you're gonna have to remove your downpipe, and everything you need to do is pretty much right there. So much room, look at that, all this room. Wanna get to the turbo, boom, it's right there. You better not drop, I swear. In the Supra right now, we're gonna go to the testing spot. We may be planning, or actually we are planning to take the Supra back to the drag strip in hopes to get better times, especially for the mods that it has. Let's be honest here, when I did take the Supra out to the drag strip, the times weren't all that great. We did a 12, one at 118, but come to find out, people were telling me, you know, you gotta turn off traction control and VSC. I left all that stuff on. Not only that, my tire pressures were really high. It was like 37 PSI. So the 60 foots weren't all that great, but I think we can get better times, especially weather's a lot cooler this time of year. I think when we were at the last drag strip at Portland International Raceway, it was like 90, 100 degrees or so. So we'll see about that. All right, just got back, took a nice fat dump. Now, interesting runs there. Now, last time I measured the Supra, we got 3.9 as the best runs. This time we got a 3.7, not on a prep surface whatsoever. I didn't touch the tire pressures at all. Now, I did order a tune for the Supra. I do plan on putting it on E85 or flex fuel. Now, once that is all said and done, it would be interesting to see how these two compare in a quarter mile. I don't know which one do you guys think will be faster. Comment down in the comment section below. Now, the STI does make more power than the Supra, but the Supra just shifts so dang fast. It's not a dual clutch, it's just a regular automatic transmission, but there's no way a human being will be able to shift a manual transmission faster than the way this thing shifts. That is a fact, but I don't know, we'll see about that. I mean, I don't know. Now the STI, I'll be honest with you, it does need a stronger clutch in order to hold the power. Otherwise, we're not going to be able to get off the line as quick. And we also need bigger head studs and just a few more things in order to take full advantage of the setup that it has now. Because right now, I can't launch the way I want to launch it. All right, went and put the Supra back in the garage. And guess what? I got a new helmet. So why did I get a new helmet? Only because, well, my old one was crusty and expired. And because you guys know, we like to go to the track on the channel. So these two will be getting some track time very, very soon. And one last note on the new Z, I know there's a lot of hype being built up around it, manual transmission, VR30, proven engine in the Q50, Q60 market. But what I really want to know is how is it going to handle on track? What is the suspension going to be like? What are the handling characteristics? This is based off the old 370Z platform. The whole straight line stuff is cool, but like I said, how's it going to handle on track? I don't know. That's yet to be determined, and no one can answer that yet. Well, I got 26,000 miles on this thing, and I'm developing a bad rattle somewhere in the rear. It sounds like it's coming from the rear deck by the rear window. I gotta get that fixed, but that's freaking annoying.
Can't find the words to say. Pack up, sleep. We're going away.
So I don't know what Josh did, but he did some revisions to the tune, and I swear down low it feels just like a regular STI. If you were to drive this, you wouldn't even know there's a big turbo under the hood. Well, it might feel just a little bit lazy, but it's really not all that bad. It's way more responsive now. 100% night and day difference than it was before. Another beautiful sunset here at the spot. I need to go buy me a boat. That's what I need to do one day, maybe in a couple years. But anyways, sorry this wasn't a fun packed episode. I promise I got more coming. We got some fun stuff coming up in a few days. But just a quick question for you guys. You know, like I did earlier in the video where I just set the camera down and talk to you guys normally like you're in the garage with me. I don't know if you guys like that kind of stuff. It might sound monotone, but let me know. I really do like doing those types of videos without the whole YouTube presenter voice. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. You guys are awesome. Stay awesome. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.